Morena, Papa. Matariki brings us all together so that we have a chance to thank and honor the Atua who have delivered us so much throughout the year. It's time to prepare for Te Wikoko.
Wait, what's an umukuruku?
It's a time to sing your big wish to Hiwai Te Rangi.
A big wish?
Wait and see, Josh.
Sabotaging a Koko on the cusp of Matariki.
Oh, they'll ruin the umukuruku. I knew it wasn't my fault.
Welcome the sacred stars of the sky. Welcome, Matariki. Rise, rise.
My dad always said, there's a reason for everything.